guys making?
I'm making this.
Okay, yummy. Chris. Teething problem. It's just, it's okay. Well, I make yumminess. Yeah, same. We're cooking the same things.
A blue one. It's the blue one.
It's the blue one, like Sona's, right? Krish, are you having fun? Are you having fun, Sona?
Yes, I do. I want to know. He's putting a seed in his mouth.
Yeah, because he's teething, right, baby?
It's putting seed in his mouth.
I know.
He's putting seed in his mouth.
I know.
I'm making now.
Mm-hmm.
Open it here. Same blue one. Same blue one.
Yeah, we have the same blue ones. Same blue pot. Krish. Hi. Yeah. Dada. Is that what you're doing with that? It's asparagus. The stem. Yes, asparagus.
I'm making. I have a spoon. Look at this. What's that?
That's a spoon, a wooden spoon.